Which way? Oh, are you leading?
I know, I didn't realize.
What are we waiting for?
It won't start.
Oh, goddamn Aprilia.
Well, well, well. Fancy Italian that made my ass.
Do I need to go grab tools?
I got a little toolkit. Hey, 1 second. Let's get 2 people to push it. I'm gonna push it. You guys come behind me and then finish pushing it, and I'm gonna kick it into second gear and see.
Okay, I can't push with my foot. Group hug in the shower! Oh, so damn close. Is that what took you guys so long? Is trying to get that thing started?
No, they went to go get gas.
Oh.
It started up just fine.
I thought we were gonna be the slow people because I was doing shit to my van.
Wanna braid my hair, Brad?
No. Oh, it's got a slipper in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's why they're trying to
No way.
see if it'll start now.
No, it doesn't.
Let's go get gas. Alright, unless you need me to go grab something from the shop, we're gonna go get gas.
Do you have jumpers in the car?
Not in my van.
Do you have jumpers at your shop?
We might in the Grand Marquis. Hey, you can go fill up. I'm gonna go grab jumper cables. I'll meet right back here. Oh my god, so we've been sitting around for an hour waiting for people. They show up, the Aprilia stalls, and doesn't have enough charge in the battery to turn the motor. So now I gotta go get jumper cables, and then it'll be dark. It's late, we're hungry. I don't really care, but I just feel bad because other Brad, drove all the way out from, what, 40 minutes to an hour away from here, and he's just been sitting. He hasn't been able to ride his bike with us yet, so I just feel kind of bad for him. But hopefully we can get this all fixed and be on our way. Alright, I really hope I just have jumper cables in the car here. Please have jumper cables. Oh, wait. No, I found them. Yeah, I got them.
Thank you, Saya.
Alright, that doesn't sound good.
Huh?
Alright.
Just blame it on your foot.
Yeah, we'll meet up in like 5 minutes. Hey, I'm all filled up on gas. I'm on Main Street heading toward Huron River. So just go get on Huron River and don't stop, and I'll pull out behind you guys. Cool. See ya. Oh. Turn your fucking heads on. Turn your fucking headlights on. We just gotta go around. I forgot it's one little section that's closed.
Dude, last time I did this, I got a $250 ticket, 2 points on my license, and it cost me $1,000 on my insurance.
Wait, to do what?
Go across the sign that says road closed, do not enter.
Oh no, I'm saying we have to go around that way.
Okay, I thought you meant you.
No.
Okay.
Stalled the Aprilia again.
Just go. Just go. I have your cable. No, I hit the fucking button.
You gonna jump it? You wanna just meet at Aubrey's? We'll go get a table for everyone?
Sure.
Alright.
Wait, whose battery are we gonna jump you off of?
Yeah, because I know other Brad is really hungry because he hasn't eaten, so.
So is he.
Alright. Dude, that sounds so good.
I know. I really like the tone of this thing.
Oh yeah. It's so throaty. Alright, so apparently the Buell died too.
Oh.
So they have 2 heavy-ass sport bikes that are dead. So, here's our option. There's Aubrey's right there, which is where we were going anyway. I guess it'll just be us 2. We can eat there, or they're gonna go to Ipsy to a barbecue place. It does not matter to me.
I don't care.
I know you said you were hungry though.
Well, I don't care. Well, I really don't care.
Alright, let's go get Red Rock then. Barbecue.
Sounds great.
Yeah. Go, 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 go! Oh my god, I need this bike. It rides almost as light as the Supermoto. This is a 2016 FC07, by the way. God, that exhaust is brutal. That is like the deepest note I've ever heard on a bike like this. God, this is so sweet. I think I'm in love with this.
Play around on it, just don't loop it.
I could listen to this thing all damn day. I like this so much better than the 09.
I tell you, the front end on it's light too.
Yeah.
You can actually play around. It's quite maneuverable.
I will highly consider this for my next bike.
I like it. Could have scared people about it.
Yeah. Did you see that cop over there?
Oh. Is that what you let off?
Yeah. That 250. Yes.
Perfect.
Hey, if you're gonna ride a 250, you gotta ride it hard. The guy didn't know what to do. just put him down by your side. Eh, whatever. Nuts to butts! Nuts to butts! Is it illegal if your engine's not turned on to wheelie and stoppy? I don't see why not, because it's like you're...
I see you doing a wheelie with your engine turned. Oh, yeah.
I can. He's like, I don't see you doing a wheelie with your engine off. Oh wait, yeah, you have done that.